food, and yeah, I got some stuff I gotta do today, y'all. But it's really no pro. Back at another video. You feel me? You feel me? I was in a rest today, but you feel me? I have to put on some clothes. The Outcast shirt we got on today. Some shoes. I'm gonna change my shoes later on though, y'all. Never let that go. I'm trying.
This week, and when I talked to her, she was like, what did she say? She was like, she's gonna be done probably sooner than that. And I was just like, how do you feel about that?
Alright, YouTube, I am back with my haircut, y'all. I am back. I need to brush it, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all on the bathroom though, but I'm driving right now. I gotta go to the bank. Then I'm finna give me some food, and yeah, I got some stuff I gotta do today, y'all. But y'all gonna be with me today. And I gotta re-show y'all my fit because I don't really feel like y'all really think y'all can see that. But y'all, I'm driving, so let me stop getting off the phone. It's raining outside, y'all. Look, y'all, it's pouring, y'all. But I'm gonna come back to y'all when I go get me some food. Back with another video. We back with another video, you feel me? We out here trying to make more videos. You dig? But today, you feel me? What I had was a little haircut this morning. Had to run a few errands. Got my hair cut, if y'all can see. Yeah, I was looking pretty terrible. Had to go get that cleaned up. You feel me? I got some packages I've been waiting on for the week. And I got some shoes coming for y'all. If y'all want to start seeing some content with some shoes in, because I love shoes, bro. I love shoes. So if y'all want to see content with that, you feel me? Let me know something, because I feel like, yeah, I posted that video. You feel me? I'm getting some views, but where we at, though? Where we at with it? Because y'all still being dry. Still being dry with it. But you feel me? It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So, you feel me? Let's get into these packages that I bought. First one, we got the little Amazon package. Got the Amazon package. Okay. So, yeah, this is my new wave brush. I'm also, if y'all want to see wave content, it's kind of hard to see, like, right now, because the way my phone is set up. But, yeah, you dig. We're going to get that in there. We have, I'm over here tearing the box up already. Torino Pro brush. You feel me? This is what I'm using now. This is a medium. I have a soft. My other one is a soft. You feel me? Little ran through. You feel me? Yeah, it's a little ran through. Y'all feel me? So I had to give me a medium brush because I feel like when my hair was getting thicker and I was doing my woof sessions, I feel like the soft brush wasn't really helping me. Like, it'll lay my hair down, but I still felt like the medium brushes and the hard brushes do a little better when you're going through that woofing stage, because yeah, you can use a soft brush, but it's not really laying your hair down. So this is a medium. It's cool. I fuck with it. It's cool. It's a little camo, navy blue, light blue, white. Torino Pro on there. Sponsor me. I ain't sponsored, but sponsor me. No, I'm just playing. But Torino Pro. We got that. Then we finna get to the other package. Let me know if y'all got any good cameras that I could get. Tripods as well. Need it badly. We have another Amazon package. Yeah, I've been on my Amazon stuff lately, y'all. But let's see what's in here. Yes, sir. Hey, low-key, real shit, though. I forgot I ordered these. These are my hair grips for my barbers when I do my hair. I feel like, because I use clips, but when I'm on the front of the lineup, sometimes, you know, people have the long hair, then they have the little stragglers. But, you know, this helps just push the hair all the way back without you having to feel like clipping it cool, but you still get hairs that fall down. So, these grips right here was definitely needed. Needed some of these very badly. Got them on deck. Yes, sir. And the last package, big package, we got from H&M. But yeah, we got it from the big H, the big M. Nah, I'm just playing, but let me try to get this open, y'all. Oh, I got the shirt pretty much. This shirt I got on H&M. This right here. Trying to make sure it's my right size, y'all. You know, they be sending the wrong shit like Fashion Nova. You better send me the right stuff. But, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. Fly as hell. Buddy. Then we got the back. Yo, that's what the back looking like. Then this is the front. I don't know, clean as hell. some light, some light, some light.
Okay, you too. What I got? Shopping.
I can't stand people like you, but come get in the camera.
Listen, I look that door told me up.
Girl, you telling me I am freezing. But yeah, feel me. But we're gonna come back though. You feel me? Come back and talk to my sister. We're gonna come back. You're gonna see me again.